Welcome to 1924 Northwest Nickernut Avenue. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home is 2,376 square feet on 0.22 acres of a corner lot right on the corner of 19th and Nickernut. A good area in town for quick access. You can get right on the Maple Street intersection with 19th and Maple, head over the bridge into Walmart and downtown, or continue down 19th to the high school and the Spud Bowl. You're right across the street from excellent walking and hiking access for the Dry Canyon. It's just down 19th to the north a bit. You'll see that access in the aerial video. But this home has an amazing, great room layout, 2 primaries, central AC, central gas heat, gas, hot water, oversized garage. It does need some work inside with paint and carpet, but otherwise is ready to roll. Now inside the front door, looking into the foyer, you can see there's vaulted ceilings, skylights, a ceiling fan, and a slider out onto the back patio. The back patio is fully covered across the width of the home. That is a natural gas fireplace. One of the nicest parts of this floor plan is that it is a double primary with primary separation. The guest primary, guest bedroom, and den, along with the guest bathroom, are on this side of the house, the east side of the home. And then over here on the west side, you have the main primary. Just through that door. Exceptional layout for multi-generational, for people that entertain a lot and need a nice full primary for guests. The kitchen is extremely spacious, lots of countertop space, big breakfast bar, has double ovens, microwave, and a range oven combination. Comes with all those appliances. The pantry is spacious, has good shelving. And behind those 2 doors, straight ahead, there's another pantry area. It's a prep and pantry with countertops. So the storage in this kitchen is just second to none. Lots of areas for prepping and baking, keeping all your baked goods and raw products behind those closed doors, along with your cooking books. And this great room area really is big enough to have 3 or 4 large pieces of furniture, and you could have a 100-inch TV on that wall without feeling at all overbearing for this space. The main primary has its own slider out to the patio in case you wanted to put a hot tub in or just go out for some morning coffee. It's a king-size bed with ease. Double vanity. Fiberglass stall shower enclosure for easy access. Some linen storage on the side. Shower's all in great shape. And the primary closet. It's very good size, nice organizational shelving, hangers. Lots of room in this primary for maybe a little workout area, a second living area, an office if needed. And the second primary here on the southeast corner of the home. It also has its own slider out to the covered patio. Single vanity in this, the guest primary, and it does have a tub shower combination. It's a fiberglass shell. Nice transom window to allow lighting into that bathroom. Also has a good sized closet. It's well organized. Has access to the attic. The only guest bedroom that is not a primary layout good size, has bypass door closet with mirror on it. A good setup for the guest bedroom. Directly adjacent to it is the den office. Good size, but no closet, so it classifies only as a den. If needed, it's spacious enough to have an office set up and a Murphy bed or some kind of pull-out style bed. Couch combo. The guest bathroom. This home is really unique and has that perfect single level layout with two primaries separated by a large great room space. There's all the room in the world for a big dining room table right here in front of that window. The home does need new carpet and new paint. Inside just needs redone, but the layout is absolutely second to none. And the location, right across from the Dry Canyon, is tough to beat too. Quick look at the utility room. Great big folding area, lots of storage, utility sink, room for the washer and dryer, more cupboard storage, ironing board built in, and the door out to the garage. Just an awesome utility room. Now in the backyard, you can see that this is really a nice private space. It's entirely covered all the way from the far east side to the west side with 3 sliders in between. The guest primary first on the far east, and then the great room here in the middle, and then the main primary at the end, all underneath this cover with all this nice brushed concrete. Moving over to the storage shed on the west side of the property here. This fenced area has concrete throughout. It's where the AC unit is, and then double gates for passage with a vehicle. It's not wide enough to fit an RV back here, especially with the AC, but you could put smaller trailers, smaller box trailers and utility trailers back here. Even some of the little tiny teardrop and some of the smaller outdoor boats could come back into that space, but it's not official RV parking. Good storage shed, well constructed. Just nice for getting all the different lawn wear out of the garage so you don't have to worry about that smell. Again, great privacy afforded by this corner lot. A great cover back here. Good southern exposure for nice light and warmth. Just an awesome outdoor area. It's completely low maintenance.